SIMBA Business. How to get started with SIMBA storage for legal entities. To get started, go to My SIMBA Storage and click Register. Next, click Business. Enter your details, set up a password, and enter the affiliate code. If you do not have an affiliate code, use the one under the question mark next to it. After filling in all the fields, read and agree to the terms and conditions to continue working, and click Register. Next, you need to check the email you specified and follow the link in the letter to confirm registration. After that, enter your email and password to enter the system and click Enter. To use the platform, you will then need to go through the verification process. Click Start Verification. Read the rules, mark your consent to the processing of personal data, and click Begin Verification. Read the rules and click Continue. Please be careful when entering your details and uploading documents. You are only allowed one attempt on our platform. Please note that the system will not accept documents that have been edited in a graphical editor and may permanently prohibit you from continuing verification. Do not start the verification process if you are connected to a VPN. Read and agree to the terms and click Next. Enter the name of the company, the country in which your company operates, the registration number of the company, the type of entity, the official address of the company, the email address of the company, the date of registration, and tax ID number if available. Leave the field unchanged to fill in the details of the UBO company. Next, you need to upload documents that meet the following requirements. Document confirming the company's legal existence, for example, the certificate of incorporation or a recent excerpt from a state company registry. Document identifying the company's beneficial owners. Select the type of documents to be uploaded and upload it to the appropriate field. After downloading the documents, click Next. Please note that the uploaded copy of the document must be good quality and with no cropped edges. If you need more information on which documents to download, click This Guide. In the window that opens, you can get acquainted with a detailed list of accepted documents. Next, you need to provide information about the UBO's holding 25% or more of the company. Choose the UBO's position, enter first and last name, enter email and contact number. Next, the specified person needs to go through identification. This can be done immediately if the specified person is yourself. Click Start Verification Now. If the specified person is another person, then you can send him a link to the verification process by email or copy the link and send it to the specified person. Identity Verification Process. When you, the specified person, click on the Start Verification Process button or the specified person follows the link, the identification process will begin. Confirm the data you entered and click Next. Choose the document that you want to use for verification and the country that issued the document. After that, upload it to the corresponding field and proceed to the next step. Please note that the uploaded copy of the document must be in color with no cropped edges and good quality. Next, you must take a selfie. This may be done with two methods. Method 1. Turn on and make ready your computer's camera and select I'm ready. Position it so that your face is within the frame. Make a slight rotational motion with your head in a circle. After successful completion, proceed to the next step. Method 2. Prepare your smartphone's camera and select or continue on a phone. Next, you will need to follow the suggested link in your smartphone or use the QR code using your smartphone. Select I'm ready on your smartphone. Position it so that your face is within the frame. Make a slight rotational motion with your head in a circle. The system will begin to verify your details. Now, move on to the next step. For the third verification step, you will need to confirm your address. Please note that the same document cannot be used to verify both identity and address. Carefully read the list of documents that the system accepts and does not accept. Only proceed to the document upload after this. Upload the document with the appropriate standards and select Next. Confirm the data you entered and click Next. After the verification is completed, you will be updated on your status. After the verification process is completed, return to the My SIMBA storage site where you started the verification process. If you see a notification that the verification session has expired, refresh the page. If the company has more UBOs holding 25% or more of the company, then indicate their data in the same way and send them a link to the identification process. If there are no other UBOs in the company meeting such conditions, click Next. Enter the information about the company's shareholders, board members, and directors. You can add several participants, either individuals or companies. Fill in the data in the same way and send the indicated persons the link to the identity verification process, if applicable, or skip this step by clicking Skip. Next, enter the information about the representatives of the company. This may be your data or another person's. Enter your first name, last name, date of birth, contact phone number, and email. If the specified person is an official representative and listed in the official register, then tick the appropriate box to start the identification process. You can also send a link to the identification process by email or simply copying the link. Go through the identification process in the same way. If the specified person is not in the official register, do not tick the appropriate box and upload a document confirming that you belong to the company. After that, start the identification process immediately, either by doing it yourself or sending a link. Go through the identification process in the same way. If you want to specify more representatives, click Add. Next, click Next. Check the provided data, and if it is correct, click Submit. Next, your documents will begin verification. This may take up to 1 business day. Upon successful verification of documents, then you will have access to the entire interface of the platform.